Meet Jessica Oseguera, known as La Negra. She is the daughter of Nemesio Oseguera, one of the most powerful drug lords in Mexico, nicknamed El Mencho. But her story isn't just about family legacy, it's a legal battle involving federal acts that target the very top of criminal organizations. Today, we break down her guilty plea, the specific charges she faced, and why her case is significant for U.S.-Mexico cartel enforcement. In February 2020, Jessica Oseguera made headlines when she was arrested right as she entered a U.S. courthouse. She was there to support her brother, Ruben Gonzalez, who was being extradited from Mexico for drug trafficking. This arrest marked the beginning of a long legal saga that would see her face serious federal charges related to her ties to the Jalisco New Generation cartel. The core of her legal trouble stemmed from violating the U.S. Kingpin Act. Prosecutors accused her of engaging in businesses with sanctioned assets belonging to the CJNG. By pleading guilty to these 5 counts regarding dealings in properties of a designated foreign person, she admitted to supporting an organization that the U.S. government explicitly forbids Americans from doing business with. Beyond the Kingpin Act violations, Jessica faced a complex negotiation strategy involving multiple charges. She eventually pleaded guilty to second-degree kidnapping. This specific plea deal was crucial because it resulted in the dismissal of other serious accusations against her, including aggravated battery and possession of controlled substances. It highlights how federal prosecutors often trade charges to secure convictions on high-level cartel connections. On February 27, 2021, a federal court in Washington, D.C., sentenced Jessica to 30 months in prison. At the time of her sentencing, she was just 34 years old. This 3.5-year sentence reflects the severity with which U.S. courts treat individuals who facilitate the operations of designated foreign narcotics traffickers, regardless of their direct role in manufacturing drugs. Despite serving roughly 25 months behind bars, Jessica Oseguera was released from federal custody in 2022. Her release signals that her immediate term of punishment has concluded, yet the legal and social implications of being the daughter of a fugitive cartel leader remain complex. Understanding this timeline helps us see how the U.S. justice system processes high-profile cases involving transnational crime. To summarize her case, Jessica Oseguera pleaded guilty to the Kingpin Act and kidnapping, avoiding heavier charges on weapons and drugs. She served a specific sentence designed to cripple the financial and logistical support of the CJNG. Her case serves as a stark example of how U.S. law targets the infrastructure of cartels, punishing not just the shooters, but those who manage their assets and logistics. Jessica's story illustrates the far-reaching consequences of cartel expansion into the United States. Her conviction under the Kingpin Act sends a message that financial support for drug trafficking is a federal crime. What do you think about how the U.S. targets family members of cartels? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.